Hello, welcome. Have you tried to control what people type on Excel cell? Today, I'll show you how to use data validation on Excel cell to reduce stress, to reduce errors, and to make your work professional and reliable. So, how do I do data validation? First of all, I highlight the space I want to use. Then, come to this area to click on data. Then, look for this column. You can see data validation. Click on data validation. I'll change this to list. Then type in my chart of accounts. Say expenses, revenue, liabilities, assets, equity. Okay, so once I click that, I'll be able to select which option I want to type. Each option to make it more easier for me to get my work done once I'm doing my chart of accounts. See, you can make my work very beautiful. If I try to type any other thing here, I think that was errors for me. So thank you for watching. Try to learn more and practice.